English conversations for office staff. Room reservation. Dialogue 1. Linda, have you reserved accommodation in England? Yes, I have reserved a premium room at the Stratford Hotel. My schedule has been changed. I want to stay at the Hilton Hotel. Is it essential to reserve a room in Hilton Hotel? Yes, reserve a twin room for the 12th and 13th. Is there anything special you're looking for? The shower room with a wonderful outlook. Okay, I've already jotted them down. Dialogue 2. I'd like to book a twin room for the 20th to the 23rd. There are no twin rooms available on those dates. Would you want a double room? No. Are there any single rooms available? Yes. The cost of a room per night is $50. Does this price include breakfast? Yes, the above price includes breakfast. How many nights will you be staying? I'll be staying for 3 nights. Okay, now what name will the reservation be listed under? And is there a phone number where you can be contacted? My name is James, and my cell phone number is 511-125-6545. Booking tickets. Dialogue 1. Hello, this is an airline ticket booking office. Hello, I'd like to reserve a flight to Tokyo. Okay, could you please give me the date of the tickets you want? The earliest one for the day after tomorrow, the 7th of March. Okay, that is flight MJ123. Will you tell me the departure time of flight MJ123? Flight MJ123 departs at 6:30 a.m. It's a non-stop flight. Dialogue 2. Is that you, Mr. Edward? Oh, hello! Wow, can you recognize my voice? Of course. You are our loyal customer. Where are you going this time? I'll be in Seoul on Tuesday. Is it the 25th? Right. Is there a ticket price reduction? Just a moment, please. The flight departs at 10 p.m. and 20% discount for loyal customers. Okay, I'll make a reservation for it. A single business class ticket? Yes, I will be there by myself. I've already reserved it for you. Thanks. Receiving and sending a fax. Dialogue 1. Hello, Green Life Company. Hello, this is Lux Business. I want to fax documents to your company. Can you please tell me whom you will send it to? I want to fax to the sales manager. So, how many pages does it have? There are 20 pages total, including the title page. Okay, please wait for me for some minutes. I'll see whether there's enough paper. Okay. You can send documents to me now. Dialogue 2. Is that the ABC company? Yes, Andy speaking. How can I help you? My name is Linda, and I'd like to send a fax to your firm. Could you tell me how many pages it has? There is a total of 10 pages. Please wait a moment. I need to prepare the printing paper. Please forward the fax to Mr. Brown. Okay, the transmission is stable. Send it. Word processing. Dialogue 1. Do you have any free time, Mary? Oh, I'm pretty free. What's up? Speech should be done word processing. What does it require? All numbers should be italicized, and the title should be bigger in font size. Is there anything else? Could you kindly double space it so that I may make changes? Sure. When is the deadline for this manuscript? I want it done today. I'll try to finish it by 3 p.m. this afternoon and submit it to you. Great! Thanks in advance. Dialogue 2. Could you please write this report for me, Lucy? Obviously. Could I have it by 13 o'clock? I'm going to need it this afternoon. It shouldn't be an issue if I do it right now. Good. Please use the laser printer to print it. Okay. Do you want this report done in a formal or informal style? Formal style. I got it. I will send it to you as soon as I finish. Using photocopier. Dialogue 1. Could you possibly duplicate this contract for me, Susan? Yes, sir. I will do it now. How many copies do you require? Please make 10 copies. By the way, can you increase the font size to 14? If the font is increased to 14, the number of pages will be more. Okay, just keep the font size 13 and remember to use A4 paper. I remember, sir. By the way, staple them for me. I see. Dialogue 2. Why isn't the copy machine working, Lucy? I'm not sure, because it was okay just now. Let me check it. When I press the button, there is no reaction. Oh, the copier is out of ink. How did you find out? On the tiny screen, Add Toner is displayed. Ugh, how foolish of me. I didn't pay attention to that. You are indeed an expert in this field. I only know a little bit. Computer problems. Dialogue 1. I'm having problems with my computer. Crashed again. Isn't the processor a Pentium? It is a Pentium 4 processor. You can utilize it quite well if you add extra RAM. What word processing software do you use? I'm using Microsoft Word. I think almost everyone uses it. That is not always the case. I am using LaTeX word processing software. I've never heard of it. I think you should switch to Microsoft Word software like me. It takes up little space and is easy to use. Dialogue 2. My computer isn't working. Tell me what the problem is. I've tried several times, but my computer won't turn on. Try checking the connections. What connections? There are cords that connect your computer to a power outlet. Is that why it won't turn on? It won't turn on if the cords aren't connected. I'll try it right now. Tell me if it's still not working. File management. Dialogue 1. Hello there, Jessica. I'm Amy. I'm the new secretary. Hello. What can I assist you with? Mr. Brown mentioned that you were good at file management. Therefore, I'd want to speak with you on it. Okay. Do you know about our company's file management system? Yes, I did take a training class before beginning employment in this office. Do you know what the essence of filing is? The purpose of filing is to collect all materials pertaining to a specific subject in a single folder or file. That's what we mean by one client, one file. Dialogue 2. Could you help me file these reports on my behalf? Yes. Should they be filed in ascending alphabetical order? Oh, I haven't sorted the names alphabetically. All right. I'll edit this report for you. Thank you. And remember to make 2 copies of this report. Yes, I intend to do so. And remember to copy all documents in the old file. I remember. When do you anticipate it to be completed? Before the following Monday. Oh, thanks for helping me. Staff training. Dialogue 1. Mary, I will assist you in becoming acquainted with your work. Oh, thank you very much. That's your desk, right next to the window. This seating position is too good. I can see the city at my leisure. Is that my laptop? That's right, and there's a printer right there. What is my responsibility? Your primary responsibility is to answer phone calls and forward them to the appropriate person. What if the person wanted is out? In that scenario, you must request that the caller leave a message. I get what you mean. Is there anything else I need to do? It is your responsibility to keep all files organized. Dialogue 2. David, please allow me to present you to each department in our firm. You are really kind. Thank you very much. There's the Quality Control Division. Next to it is the Advertising Department. How about the Human Resources Department? It is located on the 3rd floor. The financial room is also on the 3rd floor. Is the President's office also on the 3rd floor? It's located separately on the 4th floor.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment on my video. Please, subscribe to Learn English with Jessica channel to watch more helpful videos. Goodbye.